Good morning, folks. 5 a.m. in the morning, the sun is just rising behind me. And today we're gonna do a bunch of stuff. But now, 15-minute walk to the plane rack. And then we'll see. Maybe go to Skogafoss, check the big waterfall. And then go to Vik, to the beach. And finish in the hot springs. Let's go.
There's no doubt, gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me, now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly, let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score, we've been here once before. So many words unspoken, you took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go on a new adventure.
So right now we are at Skogafoss. It's about 5 minutes driving from the plane rack, and it's this big, beautiful waterfall. So we are in Vik, in this black sand beach, and there's this very nice rock. I don't even know what to say about this, but very nice rocks everywhere. Just the smell from the ocean is amazing.
Faded in this dark and smoky room, with your face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but I don't think that is what I would usually do.
So we're going to our last stop today, the hot springs. It's more like a swimming pool, and this place is just beautiful. So we are at the pool. It's a little bit dirty.
It's getting harder, you turn my heart up, throw me in water. I'm getting higher, just to feel ya, cause I need to. No one knows it, heart is frozen from your poison. Taking the potion, just to feel ya, cause I miss you. Oh my God, can't stop you like heroin. My love you got, there's no settlement. I can't pretend that we're nothing. Oh, I think I'm overdosing.